This is the double high, birding high. How it looks double, okay? Take a look. Open it up. It's the pop-up bird high, which is designed by Super High. Okay. This high could be set up in just a minute. Like this, see? This is the main shooting. We have the main window, smaller window, and smaller window. 1, 2, 3. While the other side has also the main window. Level the foot down. Or up. Or up. Another smaller. Another smaller. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 windows. The door is big enough to let you in. So it could accommodate up to 1, 2, 3 photographers, or maybe 4 watchers. Okay, get in. Get out, easy, huh? If you come only one person, you can always fold it down to a smaller size like this. Just push one corner down like this and let the door outside like this. You will have the string. This is attached 2 strings, 3 strings, and 4 string. Then make the other strings tie down together with the other strings on the roof. Make it like this. Okay, so it's become a single size like this. You still have a door. You still have a shooting window. You still have a shooting window. Down, down, side, down, windows, and windows. You see? So many windows for Super Highs. Okay? If you come together with your friends, your family, you can always extend it up like this. How to pack now? Very easy how to pack. Okay, push one end down, push the other end down. So it becomes a flat sheet like this. Flat sheet, huh? Okay. Take a good look. Your 4 fingers together. Separate your thumb. Okay. Your 4 finger hold this down strongly, while your thumb hold this down strongly, separately, right? Okay. On your knees like this. Pull the outer end toward your bodies. While you pull the end toward your body, just push your thumb side down and make it slipper by holding this side very strongly and push like this. Okay, it becomes oval like this, like this. Okay, do it again. 4 finger hold one end and thumb hold the other end like this, like this. Okay, pull on your knees, then pull the outer end toward the body like this, and the side that held by your thumb, just make or push it in and make it slipper. Okay, hold toward your body like this. So it becomes a smaller oval shape. open the back. The zipper is on top. Get them in. Like this, and zipper it out. Like this. Like this. Zipper it up. Like this. Like this. Zipper it up. This is backpack style, super high. Okay, let's go for birding now.